Using NVivo for qualitative data analysis begins with understanding that NVivo is a powerful tool designed to help researchers manage, organize, and interpret non-numerical data such as interviews, open-ended survey responses, focus group discussions, and documents. The process starts with setting up a new NVivo project, which serves as your workspace for storing and analyzing all qualitative data. Once the project is created, the next step is importing your data sources into NVivo, which can include text documents, audio recordings, video files, PDFs, social media data, and even web content. NVivo supports multiple formats, allowing researchers to centralize all their qualitative material in one platform. After importing, the real work begins with coding, which is the process of organizing chunks of data into meaningful themes or nodes. In NVivo, you can create parent nodes and child nodes to structure your themes hierarchically, making it easier to manage large volumes of data. For instance, if your research is on customer satisfaction, you might create a parent node called service quality and subnodes like responsiveness and courtesy. Coding can be done by highlighting specific text and assigning it to nodes, and NVivo makes this process efficient by allowing drag-and-drop functionality. Another important feature of NVivo is the ability to handle multimedia data, where you can code audio or video files by linking specific time segments to nodes, which is extremely useful for analyzing interviews or focus group recordings. NVivo also supports annotations and memos, enabling researchers to make reflective notes during analysis and link them to specific pieces of data for deeper context. Once coding is complete, NVivo offers powerful query tools such as text search queries, word frequency queries, and coding queries to help you identify patterns and trends in the data. These queries allow you to explore how often certain words appear, visualize connections between concepts, and even compare how different cases respond to the same themes. Another valuable aspect of NVivo is its ability to generate visualizations such as word clouds, cluster analysis diagrams, and charts that provide a graphical representation of your data, making it easier to identify emerging patterns and communicate findings effectively. NVivo also facilitates case classification and demographic analysis, enabling you to categorize participants based on attributes like age, gender, or occupation, and then compare responses across these groups, which is particularly useful in mixed-method studies. Moreover, NVivo allows integration with statistical tools like SPSS for mixed-method research, bridging qualitative insights with quantitative analysis. Collaboration is another strong feature, as NVivo supports team projects where multiple researchers can work on the same dataset while maintaining coding consistency through intercoder reliability checks. To ensure a systematic workflow, researchers often use NVivo's framework matrices to organize coded data into a grid format that aligns themes with cases, making it easier to interpret and draw conclusions. Additionally, NVivo supports literature reviews by enabling you to import and code academic articles, extract key concepts, and even link them to primary data sources, creating a robust conceptual map for your research. The software also offers integration with reference management tools like EndNote, Zotero, and Mendeley, streamlining citation management within the research process. Another advanced feature is sentiment analysis, which helps analyze text for positive, negative, or neutral tones, useful in fields like social media research. To ensure effective usage of NVivo, it's essential to maintain a clear coding structure from the beginning and update it as new themes emerge during analysis. Regular use of visualization and queries can keep your analysis focused and comprehensive. Exporting results is also straightforward, as NVivo allows you to export coded reports, visualizations, and summary tables for inclusion in research reports, theses, or publications. By following a structured approach, starting from project creation, data import, systematic coding, query analysis, visualization, and reporting, NVivo can significantly enhance the depth, accuracy, and efficiency of qualitative data analysis. Its ability to handle large datasets, integrate various data types, and support advanced analytical techniques makes it an indispensable tool for researchers who aim to extract rich insights from qualitative information. Ultimately, NVivo is more than just software. It is a comprehensive environment that transforms raw qualitative data into meaningful patterns, relationships, and evidence-based findings that strengthen the validity and rigor of your research.